portrait of the Ottoman legacy. So in today's world, people do not know that the Turkish people, the Turkey-based Ottoman Empire, the Ottoman Caliphate, widely known as Ottoman Caliphate, that was a superpower. And the First World War and the Second World War, these world wars actually was the plan to break the Ottoman Empire into hundreds of nation states by the Western imperialists. So this is a nice example of how sophisticated warship the Ottomans developed in that 17th century. That's a great one.